want me to hold your hand?
Yeah.
Here we go. Hold my hand. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whee! Nice moves. Can you hold your hand again? Okay.
No, I'm scared.
You're scared? Hold Daddy's hand.
No. I'm stuck in a tower.
You stuck in the tower?
Yeah.
You better eat a big magic mushroom and grow big like Mario. Woohoo! Yeah. Come on, Mario. Down the slide.
No, my name is Luigi.
You're Luigi?
Yeah.
Okay, Luigi. Luigi Hercules. Yeah. There he goes. Yay.